Hey there. Who doesn't love some extra cash, right? Whether you're saving up or just want to treat yourself, here are 5 insanely easy ways to start earning money. No stress, just simple hacks. First on the list, online surveys. Yep, companies are basically begging to know what you think, and they're willing to pay you for it. Sign up on sites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie and get paid for sharing your opinions. It's like getting paid to be honest. Next up, turn your clutter into cash. Got stuff lying around that you don't use anymore? Sell it on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Poshmark. It's like a treasure hunt, but you get paid at the end. Got a skill? Let's put it to work. Whether you're a word wizard, a design guru, or a video editing whiz, freelance gigs on Fiverr and Upwork are a gold mine. You get to do what you love, set your own rates, and watch the money flow in. Who doesn't love a good deal? With cashback apps like Rakuten or Honey, you can literally get paid to shop. It's like getting a reward for being smart with your money. And finally, ride the gig economy wave. Apps like Uber, Lyft, or DoorDash let you earn on your own time. Drive, deliver, or run errands. It's flexible, it's fun, and the extra cash is just a bonus. So there you have it. 5 super easy ways to boost your income right now. Ready to give it a shot? Hit that like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more money-making hacks coming your way.